My name's Lucas Underwood. I'm with L&N Performance Automotive Repair in Blowing Rock, North Carolina. I met Autoshop Solutions through ASTE, the Automotive Service and Technology Expo here in Cary, North Carolina just a few years ago, and chose them for my website. It has been an amazing experience, and the real reason is they are so receptive to my business and what I want for my business. In working with them, they've been dynamic and they change as we need them to change and as my business changes, and they have been a true partner to our marketing plan here for the shop. We have just expanded, or we're in the process of expanding. We're going from a 2.5 bay shop into about a 10 bay shop. And the reason that's important to me is because we started just about 4 years ago doing $14,000 and $15,000 a month in that 2.5 bay. Now we're doing over $125,000 a month in that 2.5 bay. Same size staff, same size facility. And I really contribute a lot of that to the help from Autoshop Solutions when it comes to the marketing. So that's been our experience with them. They have been phenomenal and they have done so much to help us. We really believe Autoshop Solutions is part of our family.